How to set up Google Analytics for Shopify. So hi guys, the first thing that we're going to do is to simply open our browser and go to analytics.google.com. So basically once you go to that page, you will be routed to your Google Analytics page. So just a brief overview. Google Analytics gives you the free tools you need to analyze data for your business in one place so you can make smarter decisions. Now, in order for you to know more about it and what Google Analytics does, let me read this out for you. Understand your site and app users to better check the performance of your marketing, content, products, and more. Access Google's unique insights and machine learning capabilities to make the most of your data. And Analytic works with Google's advertising publisher products, so you use your insights to deliver. Now let's start creating our Google Analytics account. So the first thing that you will see here is the account details section. Now input your account name. So what I'm going to input here is my store name from Shopify. Next is that under account data sharing settings, you just need to simply go over this one and tick all the necessary boxes that you want to enable in this section. Now let's click on next afterwards. The next section is here for our property setup. Now let's input our property name. So what I did was I inputted still my Shopify store name. Now here for the reporting time zone, let me select my country, Philippines. And as you can see, the time zone has changed. For the currency, since in my Shopify I'm using dollars, let's simply have it as is, US dollar. Now let's move on to the next part. So the next part is about your business or your business information. So help us tailor your experience by answering the following. First is the industry category. I tried searching for e-commerce, but it did not show up. So let's say, for example, let's have arts and entertainment. Now for the business size, I have 1 to 10 employees only. All right, so next is simply tick all the boxes on how you intend to use Google Analytics with your business. So there are actually a lot of options that you can choose from. As for me, I'm just going to tick on some of the boxes right here, like measure lead generation, measure app installs, measure content monetization, measure data across multiple devices or platforms, optimize my site experience, and measure customer engagement with my site or app. Now let's simply create. Now here there are actually just like terms of service agreement. If I choose my country, basically it's still the same, but it gives on my language right there. Once you've accepted the terms, tick on the box and click on I accept after that. Now the next thing that we're going to do is that we will be routed to this page. Now let's save this part right here first. That's for email communication. Now here in start collecting data, we are going to choose a platform. So under the platform, we have web, Android app, iOS. So we are going to click web since we're going to connect our Shopify app. Now the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to our Shopify admin. Now here, let's simply go to our settings, and in the settings, let's have our domains. In the domain section, you can see here your Shopify link or domain, basically. Let's simply copy that one, and once done copying, go to the website URL and paste it there. Now for the stream name, I'm still gonna make use of my store name. And let's create the stream. Once the stream has been created, Google Analytics will load. And there, you have your web stream details right there already. Now here, you need to take note of your measurement ID, and it will pop out as well the installation instructions. So what we're going to do is to install manually and simply copy the code that we have right here that Google has given us. Once you've copied it, go back to your Shopify store. So basically, to install your Google tag, you can use Website Builder or Content Management System to finish the setup automatically. Okay. Now, let's go back to our Shopify store. And in here, what we're going to do is to go to the theme section. And here I'm going to simply edit the code. Okay, now here under themes.liquid, what we're going to go to or what we're going to do is to input the code after head. However, I actually have an unnecessary code here, so let me just delete that one. Okay, now let me delete this page or file. Okay, and we have theme.liquid left. Now, beside the head, that's also an unnecessary code that we should not be seeing actually. So let me just backspace it and hit on enter and paste the code from the Google Analytics section and save. So as you can see, I've refreshed my Google Analytics page basically. So there you can actually see the user engagements in the last 30 minutes and there's one. That's me basically because the country is from my country. Okay. Now in this section, actually, you can see users, new users, event count, average engagement time, and the likes. And there's more to that, basically. So, in conclusion, Google Analytics is an invaluable tool for any business looking to thrive in today's digital landscape. It provides essential insights and data that empower businesses to make informed decisions, optimize their online presence, and drive success. By leveraging the power of Google Analytics, businesses can gain a deep understanding of their website performance, customer behavior, and marketing efforts. With this data driven approach, businesses can refine their strategies, identify opportunities for growth, and ultimately achieve their business objectives. So, whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, incorporating Google Analytics into your business toolkit is crucial for staying competitive, driving results, and unlocking your business full potential in the online world. So, don't miss out on the opportunity to gain valuable insights and make data driven decisions. That's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and hope you guys enjoyed.